Can I get YouTube TV on Apple TV? Yes, YouTube TV is available on Apple TV, allowing users to stream live TV, on-demand content, and cloud DVR recordings. The YouTube TV app can be installed from the Apple App Store on compatible Apple TV devices. 1. Compatible Apple TV devices. The YouTube TV app is supported on Apple TV HD 4th generation or later, Apple TV 4K 1st and 2nd generation, and later, older Apple TV models do not support the YouTube TV app. 2. How to install YouTube TV on Apple TV. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and go to the App Store. Step 2. Use the search bar to find YouTube TV. Step 3. Select the YouTube TV app and click Download. Step 4. Open the app and sign in with your YouTube TV account. Step 5. Start streaming live TV and on-demand content. 3. Watching YouTube TV on Apple TV without the app. If the app is unavailable on your Apple TV model, you can still watch YouTube TV by using AirPlay from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, streaming via a web browser on a connected computer. 4th, YouTube TV features on Apple TV. Once installed, users can enjoy live TV streaming from over 100 plus channels, cloud DVR with unlimited storage, on-demand shows and movies, 4K streaming with a 4K add-on plan on Apple TV 4K. 5. Troubleshooting YouTube TV on Apple TV. If YouTube TV does not work properly on Apple TV, try the following. Restart the Apple TV and reopen the app. Update Apple TV software and the YouTube TV app. Sign out and log back into the YouTube TV app. Uninstall and reinstall the app if crashes occur. 6. Alternative ways to watch YouTube TV. If YouTube TV is not working on Apple TV, you can watch on a smart TV, streaming device, Roku, Fire Stick, or gaming console. Use a mobile device or computer to access YouTube TV. YouTube TV is fully supported on Apple TV HD and Apple TV 4K and can be installed through the Apple App Store. Users with older models can still access YouTube TV using AirPlay or a web browser.